goes my lovely cat. Soft and sweet, she walks like that. Sometimes here and sometimes there, jumping high with joyful flair. Fluffy like a cotton ball, tiny paws so soft and small. Shiny eyes, she looks so wise, with a tail that swings and flies. Milk is near, she runs with glee, drinks it all so happily. Then she curls up in a nap, dreaming dreams upon my lap. When the moon is high and bright, she begins her play at night, chasing shadows left and right, hiding in the soft moon. She's my friend, so kind and true, cuddles close when I feel blue. Meow, meow, she sings to me, my best cat, so sweet